Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For changing simple Hamster to cipher Hamster, you have to tap 3 on per tap on the left side of your screen. Today's word of cipher Hamster is Ethereum. For typing E, you have to tap. For typing T, you have to tap and hold. For typing H, you have to tap 4 times. For E, again you have to tap. For R, you have to tap plus hold and tap. For E, you just have to tap. For U, you have to tap and tap hold, then release. For M, you have to tap hold, again tap hold. And today's word Ethereum unlocked. You can earn your reward. And thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel.